me to determine if there was probable cause for your arrest, and also to make a decision today regarding your custody status. In everyone's case prior to court, I did review your temporary custody record, arrest report, the Nevada pretrial risk assessment tool, which does give me a snapshot of your prior criminal history. I reviewed a financial affidavit if one was made available to the court, along with some statutory factors regarding bail. I will appoint the public defender's office today for each of you, unless a private attorney has checked in on your behalf. If you receive a no contact order, that is no in-person contact, no telephone, texting, emailing, social media, or third-party contact. Third-party contact, for example, would be if you called your mom and asked her to relay a message for you to the person on the other side of that no contact order. That would be a violation. That could result in consequences, including your rearrest and your reappearance in this court. Does everyone understand? Great, thank you. The first case I'm going to call out of order for the media, State of Nevada versus Jalen Felton, 26 PC 008814. Mr. Felton, please come down to the window. Good afternoon, Mr. Felton. You were arrested for driving under the influence of alcohol and or a controlled or prohibited substance resulting in death. Reckless driving resulting in substantial bodily harm. Duty to stop at the scene of an accident and driver disobeying a peace officer. The court did find probable cause existed for your arrest on all charges. I do need to hear this afternoon from the district attorney's office, and then I will also hear from the public defender.
Thank you, Your Honor. This defendant is under a suspended sentence of 120 days in case number 21CR029895 and was under that suspended sentence at the time he's alleged to have committed the instant felonies. Based on that, the state is requesting detention, and Your Honor, I am placing the older matter on calendar on a motion to impose.
Mr. Bond.
Thank you, Judge. I did independently verify the existence of that other case. Given that, I think the best course of action for purposes of today's hearing would just be for me to submit it and reserve any future arguments.
So, Mr. Felton, the court does have to be concerned today with whether you're an individual that poses a risk of danger to the community, who poses a risk of danger to victims in the community, and whether or not I believe that you're likely to reappear in court. The court does have concerns today about all of those factors. The allegations contained in the police report, coupled with the fact that you scored a 7 on the pretrial risk assessment tool, 1 prior felony or gross misdemeanor conviction, 2 misdemeanors, and 1 failure to appear. The district attorney's office has indicated today that you are facing a suspended sentence in another case and has requested that I detain you pursuant to Nevada Revised Statute 178.4843. The court does find today by clear and convincing evidence that detaining you without bail today is the least restrictive means available to the court, not only to ensure community safety and victim safety, but to ensure your reappearance. So you will be detained without bail. You may have another Valdez administering at the next court date if you so choose. That date will be
January 27 at 8 a.m. Department 9.
Thank you.